Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm with Chicago the Podcast, and I'm making this video so that you can understand a little bit about what the podcast will be about, but more importantly, that you will be so excited about it that you will become a supporter of the show. We are striving to produce a daily Chicago podcast that will expose news, will go in depth with one-on-one interviews. Those will be done on the street with everyday Chicagoans. Those will be done with Chicago newsmakers, people of influence, and even some politicians that are making decisions that we want to know more about. Chicago the Podcast is something that's new and different, launching October 11th. I hope that you will take some time to set it in your favorites and support the show. Thank you so much.